English is a global language. It allows people to communicate all over the world. Learning a new language is never easy. However, it opens up so many possibilities in our personal and professional lives. Hi, my name is Gretchen. I got a bachelor's degree in development communication. I earned education units in the Philippines. I have worked for US clients as a customer service representative for 4 years. I have been teaching in school and online as well. I teach pronunciations for students as an ESL teacher and grammar. Teaching is my passion. I love to share knowledge and skills to others. So if you need someone who can help you to learn the language, no worries. I'm here for you. I will guide you to learn the language in the easiest and most enjoyable way possible. We will apply what you already know and learn something new each day. So, let's make your learning experience fruitful and fun. See you!